Welcome, I'm Wanda Henry, and we're going to show you how to have fun with a budget decorating. Sometimes it's so easy to be stressed and worry about what you cannot do, and we're going to show you what you can do.
Previously on Bridal Your Way.
I told them they had to decorate the table for under $15.
Okay. No flowers. No flowers. Okay. Like something to build around. Yeah. My brain does not work this way. But you said we had forever. It's late.
Very classic, very classic. We're gonna let Nathan show the pictures of what Nathan
God, it's so
partners, so you're in different groups. They're gonna stick with the same $15. However, you have something you cannot use.
Can we look at it yet?
Okay, now go ahead and you guys look first.
So she guessed it. No flowers.
No flowers.
Only greens.
Only greens.
Just greens. Totally just greens, yes.
No runners or free items.
No greens. Okay.
And 5 minutes. What's the 5 minutes? Oh, goodness. Okay. No runners or free items. Okay. We've got to.
No glass.
Yes. So glass.
Okay.
Glass
Okay.
you cannot use.
Okay.
Spaces you get.
Yeah.
Can't use runners or free items.
I don't know. I'm to go with the name.
These flowers are not.
They're not holding up well.
Sorry, because I got right in that.
So what, if we did 8, these are 25 cents a piece. What's that?
So that would be $2.
So we need the container, probably something a bit taller.
2, 3, 5, 15.
We're just tucking them into bed, you know?
I know. Oh my gosh, I can't reach.
Yeah. Guys have to be done.
Whoa.
We'll talk about it in a minute.
I switched a lot of things this time, so I don't know.
So first it was like
3.
that. Right.
Oh, I suppose that
You know
would be
what I mean?
shorter.
Like, yeah.
Oh, no.
All right, we're gonna judge this one. And the reason I had us do this one in 5 minutes is because one time I had to do all the setup for an entire reception in 1 hour. And it was smaller, but still we had to do all of this. So this was a really good test on, and sometimes you just have to go really fast. So this is really clever. Once again, they kind of imitated the idea of putting the little greens on there, added so much, just a little thing, very little money. That's really good. You guys did a good job. What was your limitation?
No glass.
No glass. Was that hard?
Much harder than anticipated.
Yeah. Harder than anticipated.
Yeah.
Took out a lot of container options.
Right.
Yeah. Flowers and stuff.
Right.
No particular reason. I just wanted to make it hard. So that's the reason for that.
But then you don't have to worry about breaking anything.
You don't have to worry about
Yeah,
breaking.
that's
Hello,
true.
kids. No glass. No glass. All right. So your limitation was
No flowers.
no flowers in your flowers trees.
So we made as much as we could with the greens.
The greens.
And then just added a little bit of color and relied on just the simplicity of the tableware.
I have seen several weddings where the girls' bouquets are just greenery. That's all it is, no flowers. And so then you could use their bouquets for the centerpieces of some of the tables, and it would look like that. So good job, guys.